Hello kids, welcome all of you in my online logo class. Today we are going to do challenge 5. What is the smallest number of shots you can use to get around this golf course? Students, this is a golf course. Okay, this is your turtle. You need to reach each and every flag. Okay, but when you will become winner only if your number of shots are less or minimum. Okay, so read the instruction again. What is the smallest number of shots you can use to get around this golf course? Okay, so first of all we need to hit 1. So you need to imagine the angle. This is right turn. Okay, clockwise is right turn, anti-clockwise is left turn. So it is clockwise, so you have to write RT command, RT right turn, RT right turn. See the degree, it is not 90 degree, it is less than 90 degree, so you can give 80 degree. Okay, RT 80 degree. See, okay, then FD, assume the distance, it should be 15. Now we have reached to 1. Okay, now we need to reach 2. This is 2. This is clockwise, it means RT. Okay, what angle you imagine? This is 90 and this is 180. Okay, 180 minus 40, it means 140. We can give 140, then FD, or you can do RT 10 or 5, RT 5. Okay, then FD, see the distance 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Suppose this is 80, but it is going to outside the golf course, so you need to do BK 30, BK 20. Okay, now you need to do RT, you can do 20 degree, or RT 10 more, then FD 20 or 15. That is going outside, so you can BK 20, then RT 20, yeah, LT 5, FD 20. Now we have reached to golf course flag 2. Now you need to go 3. So what you have to do? RT 90. Okay, or RT 5, RT again 5. Okay, then FD, you can take 40 is going to just beyond the 3, so you can do BK 10. Okay, you have reached 3rd, then you need to go to the 4th, so you have to turn the turtle RT. See, this is more than 90, So you can do 130, 130, FD 50 or 40, FD 40, but it is coming here. So you can do left turn LT 90, LT 90, and FD 10 or 8. We reached to 4. Now we have to go to the 5. So you have to turn the turtle LT, then degree 90 degree or 120 degree. It is more than 120 degree. So LT 10 degree. Okay, then FD 30. Now we have reached to flag 5 also. So students, what you need to do, you have to practice for the angles. First time definitely you will do the mistakes, but you need to learn from your mistakes. Sometimes your FD command steps you take more, instead of 50 you take 60, so it reaches beyond the goalpost. So after practicing you will get the accuracy. So you need to learn number of steps, right turn, left turn, imagine, okay, until you get accuracy. So you do more and more, do the practice, and by doing practice again and again you will be perfect. Your imagination, your brain practice will be stronger. ओके, ये जो आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे इससे आपको एंगल का नॉलेज होगा, डिस्टेंस को इमेजिन करने का जो पावर है आपके ब्रेन में वो डेवलप होता जाएगा, ठीक है। So you need to subscribe this channel so that you must ready for the next challenge. Like the video and share this video with your friends who is learning online logo, and you can discuss to each other who is doing fast and who is more accurate in this challenge. You need to share your knowledge to your friends also. Thank you very much.